welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click that like button, turn on notifications, give us a huge thumbs. Today we're going to be out on Elsa because Millie and Harper's sick. So Anna and Elsa's taking over. We're going to make magic ice monk. Get started! I'm going to make a magical wonderland. Now we're ready to make our magic monk. First we need monk. You know you can't do without monk. We need food coloring. Only blue. You only use blue. No colours if you're doing it Elsa and Anna. So only blue, okay guys? Because it makes it look like water. Lastly, you need flags! First thing first, we're going to add the milk. Gently put it in the bowl. Right there. I'm not good at doing that. Elsa could do that. Oopsies. Next time do it gently, because I'm not doing that ever again. We need soap. This is a YouTube takeover. That much. Now, for what color? What is it, guys? Blue! Blue! Oh my! I'm gonna put the flow slate in here, and then we're gonna mix it to there. Okay, guys? Whoa! I'm gonna do another one, guys. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. I like this, guys. Oh my goodness. This is the last one, no more for today, okay guys? No, I'm going to do this one. Elsa doesn't want to do it, so I'm going to do it. Ready to drop it in. Done. Guys, look! Guys! Guys, that's the end of our video. Hope you had a good day today. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.